Guys, today is the day I'm done messing with these stock junk manifolds, putting these bad boys on, little turbo manifolds. Guess what? You know what? I'm not even gonna do the NA anymore build, okay? We're jumping right into the turbo build, okay? I'm getting these turbos, we're putting them on. I'm buying anything I need on, what day is it? Today is Thursday, the 3rd. So I'm hoping by this weekend, the car is gonna be turboed and I'll try to get everything finished this weekend. Literally, turbo build starts now and I'm super excited. First thing I gotta do, I've been trying to hack at this all friggin' day, is get these sway bar brackets off. I went ahead and bought an air hammer and stuff. I'm actually gonna just air hammer them out. And I need some dash lines. I got the oil pan. That's already tapped for the oil drain, so I just need to go get some feeds. And I don't know, maybe some exhaust. So this is getting exciting. Let's go ahead and dive right into this. All right, I don't know where I left off, but I'm gonna just do this now. I got this one bolted up. The turbo does not sit, and obviously you guys can tell. I already kind of cut it. I still need to cut down here and down, and then probably just make a square right here. I really want to just do a tubular K member, but these things I really want to have mounted up and stuff. I went ahead and got my oil feed lines, my throttle coupler to fit on the Y pipe here, and then I need to get more either figure out if those fit on the turbo pipes for the intercooler piping, and then take this front clip back off, mount the intercooler. There's a lot of stuff, but this part one, I really want the manifolds on, so let's go ahead. I might just go ahead and get this side ready to go, because that is ready to go. I already went ahead and cut that like I was saying earlier, so let's go ahead and get this other side on. Isn't that a beautiful sight? The only problem is I can't fit the radiator hose anymore, so I might have to just get a new radiator that has an outlet over here that I can wrap around right here. I think I'm gonna try to get a different water pump as well, because the elbow right here and the water outlets here for the heater core, I don't want these two guys here. I kind of want that deleted. I know the LS1 in the Corvette has just no outlets on the side for the heater core, so I think I can do that. But right now, I think this is going to be the end of part one. I think that's how I'm going to route them. I just wish this was, you know, the same height, or this one goes down. But like, the headers are at the same height, but since this is all twisted up there, and that snail is going down, that's my only issue. But I kind of want to have just the filter here and the filter here, or just no filter at all. But that's that. I think I'm going to be running 5 pounds on each turbo, so like 10 pounds total. So guys, get ready, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and guys, this thing is going to get intense. Peace out.